Hi, I'm Randy Vance. I'm the editor-at-large for Boating Magazine, and when I'm not working in boats, I'm playing in them. Some of the satisfaction I get out of boating comes from being able to do a lot of the work on the boats myself, like changing the oil in the gear case lube and the fuel water separator. I'm getting ready to change the oil on this boat, and I found everything I needed from Sierra Marine. The Mercury part numbers will translate over to a Sierra part number, and the Sierra dealer can give you exactly what you need to do the job. Sierra parts come with some of the strongest warranties in the marketplace. Select the Sierra oil change kit for your motor. Make sure the motor is level and the prop shaft is horizontal. In cool or cold weather, run the motor with a water supply to bring it up to temperature. Then switch the motor off. Then remove the cowl and set it safely aside. Remove the dipstick and check the oil level. Note if it's low, indicating oil consumption requiring more frequent oil level inspections. Snap Mercury's drain tray below the oil drain port. Remove the drain port and allow the oil to drain fully into a container. Remove the yellow oil fill cap to speed the process. If using an extraction pump, which is a helpful device in case your boat's on a lift, insert the draw tube into the dipstick tube until it's fully seated, and then you can pump out your oil. Once you've extracted the oil, you can take it to the local garage right in the extractor for disposal in their recycling drum. Once the oil is fully drained, remove the oil filter. Keep a rag in place to catch any oil dripping out of the filter. Rub oil on the new filter's gaskets so it properly seats. Screw the new filter in place hand tight. Then refill the crankcase with 7.7 quarts of oil. Replace the oil fill cap and snug it down tight. Ensure that the oil level is correct and check for leaks. Replace the cowl and tug on the handles to be sure it's secure. That's it, job done. And because I could find all the parts I needed at sierraparts.com, I didn't have to run around town filling my shopping list one part at a time.